This video can be used to assist with the installation of the 35-inch or 47-inch Elite fixed mirrors. Step 1. Measure and mark for installation. Hold the mirror at the desired position and create a mark at both corners. Now create a mark halfway between both corner marks and measure 1.5 inches down from each of the 3 marks. Now draw a straight line across. Step 2. Install 2 large anchors 7 inches apart and mount the rail. Measure 3.5 inches from the center mark on either side to ensure your anchors are placed 7 inches apart. Now install the anchors at these points and mount the rail. Step 3. Install the T-bolt. If you're installing a 35-inch mirror, measure down 35 1/8 of an inch from the center top of the wall rail. If you're installing a 47-inch mirror, create a mark 47 7/16 of an inch down. Now pre-drill a hole, insert the anchor, and finally screw in the T-bolt. Step 4. Hang the mirror. Carefully hang the mirror on top of the wall rail and lower the bottom over the T-bolt. Now use the curved tool to rotate the T-bolt behind the mirror. Your fixed mirror is now ready to use.